Hey guys, welcome to Tracie's Place. I'm doing a healthy meal. I did one the other day and I really should have taped that one. I said, let me get on track and start taping these meals. I'm doing peppers and onions, and I'll probably do mushrooms too. I'm not sure yet. But peppers and onions and grilled chicken. And I'm just going to put them in a wrap. And it's going to be a healthy dinner. It's Bible study night tonight, so we're going to do that for something quick and easy. So here's what it's looking like. I've just had it sauteing for about 2 minutes now. But you just cut up one yellow bell pepper, a green bell pepper, and a red bell pepper. And I have red onion and sweet onion, regular white sweet onion. So I like that combination. I'm going to season mine with salt and pepper and some Italian seasoning. And I'm just going to let it go. And it's sauteing in about a teaspoon and a half of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. See those pretty colors? And it's good and healthy for you too. As you can see, it's going quite nicely. They're wilting just a little bit, softening up and getting tender. I also put a teaspoon of honey in here, you guys, just to give it a little bit of a good savory flavor, and also some garlic powder. So you can put as little or as much of each one as you want to. I don't like to give measurements a lot because everybody likes their food seasoned differently. So I like a decent amount so that I can taste the seasonings as well as the vegetables. But I also put some honey in there too. No sugar. No sugar, just honey. And I'm cooking in my cast iron skillet. Almost halfway through, you guys, you want to throw in some grilled and ready chicken breast strips if you have them. If not, you can use chicken that you've made yourself. But we got these on sale for $3.99 at Kroger's, and we're putting in, well, I'm putting them in my little dish here. And they're already ready, they're just frozen. So almost halfway through, I just go ahead and toss them in and stir them around. Let me show you. Just kind of stir them around. I'm going to break these up because you can't do it good on camera with one hand. But I'm going to break these up a little bit. And they just defrost. They defrost really quickly. And I'm going to cover this whole dish with a top and let them go ahead and cook together. And this is the second option, you guys. Instead of just putting it all in, it depends on how you like it. As you've seen before, I just put them in the skillet with the vegetables, and you can do it that way. The only thing is you'll have to chop it up if you want them smaller, afterwards. So your other option would be to put them in the microwave first and cook them for about 1 minute, and then chop them up to the size you want, and then put them in with the vegetables. Alright, you all, this is what it's looking like now. It's pretty tender, and this is where I'm going to stop the cooking process. I'm going to take it off of the heat, because my husband likes a little crunch to his vegetables. I do not. So I'm going to try to get it in between if I can. So we'll see how it turns out. But I know it's going to taste good. I just mean see how it's going to turn out as far as the crunch or how tender it's going to be. So it's looking good. I put a little green onion in there, a little fresh green onion. And chopping up some cilantro. I'm not going to put cilantro in it. I'm putting cilantro on the side because, I like my cilantro. And here's the finished product, guys. I have 2 of them here. And I have cheese and tomato and a little bit of cilantro on each one. So that's a quick little good healthy meal.